Natural disasters can strike at any moment, and hailstorms are among the most destructive in Colorado. But how prepared are you to protect your home from their devastating impact? According to a recent Bloomberg report, hailstorms cause billions of dollars in damage each year, wreaking havoc on homes and communities. With increasing frequency and intensity, the need for reliable protection has never been greater. Traditional roofing materials like asphalt shingles often fail under the relentless assault of hailstones. The resulting damage can lead to costly repairs and higher insurance premiums. At Lianro Metal Roofs, we offer a superior solution: stone-coated steel metal roofs. Engineered to withstand the harshest weather conditions, our roofs provide unmatched durability and protection. Our stone-coated steel roofs are designed to resist impact, withstanding hailstones up to 2.5 inches in diameter. In fact, our metal roofs have a very severe hail, or VSH, impact resistance classification. This durability means fewer repairs and less hassle for homeowners. But the benefits don't stop there. Our roofs also come with a Class 4 impact resistance rating, the highest available. This can lead to significant savings on your home insurance premiums. At Lianro Metal Roofs, we believe in empowering our customers with the best possible solutions. That's why we offer free consultations and detailed assessments to help you choose the perfect roof for your home. Not only are our roofs built to last, but they also add aesthetic value to your home. With a variety of styles and colors, you can enhance your home's curb appeal while ensuring its protection. Don't wait until the next storm hits. Protect your home and your investment with Lianro Metal Roofs. Visit our website at lianro.com or call us today to learn more. Metal up!